Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I'm your host. Today we are going to discuss about how to fade melasma with herbal oils. Please watch the video till the end and follow all the instructions to get best results. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Now first of all, let's understand what is melasma. Melasma is a skin condition that causes brown or gray-brown patches to appear most often on the face, neck and arms. It's a common type of hyperpigmentation that occurs when there is an increase in melanin, which is the pigment that determines skin color. Patches of melasma can develop into blotchy areas that are larger and irregular in shape. It is harmless but can be a cause of worry for some people because of its appearance. The main cause of melasma is hormonal changes during pregnancy, menopause, birth control pills, etc. Sun exposure can also worsen melasma. Treatment options include creams, gels, and lotions that contain ingredients such as hydroquinone, retinoids, and steroids. However, these treatments have their own side effects and may not work for everyone. This is where herbal oils can be helpful. In this video, we will talk about best herbal oils that can be used topically to reduce the appearance of melasma. They are completely natural and do not have any side effects. So let's begin. First one is carrot seed oil. Carrot seed oil is rich in beta-carotene and antioxidants that help protect the skin from sun damage and reduce the appearance of dark spots caused by melasma. This lightweight oil is quickly absorbed into the skin without leaving a greasy residue. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe irritated skin and promote a smooth and even complexion. To use it, simply apply a few drops to your face and massage gently in upward circular motions. You can also add a few drops to your moisturizer or serum for an extra boost. For best results, it is recommended to use it consistently day and night for at least 4 weeks. Second is frankincense oil. Frankincense oil is a potent antioxidant that helps to protect the skin from free radicals and environmental stressors. It also helps to reduce inflammation and redness, making it ideal for sensitive skin. This oil also contains compounds that help to brighten the skin and fade dark spots. To use it, you can use it directly or dilute it with a carrier oil like jojoba oil. Apply it to the affected area in a gentle massage for 10 to 15 minutes. You can also add a few drops to your moisturizer or serum for an extra boost. It is recommended to use it consistently day and night for at least 4 weeks for best results. Third one is rosehip seed oil. Rosehip seed oil is packed with vitamin A, C, and E, all of which are powerful antioxidants that help to protect the skin from environmental damage and reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. Vitamin A helps to exfoliate dead skin cells and promote cell turnover, while vitamin C helps to brighten the skin and fade melasma. To use it, you can apply it directly to the affected area in a gentle massage for 10 to 15 minutes. You can also add a few drops to your moisturizer or serum for an extra boost. For best results, it is recommended to use it consistently day and night for at least 4 weeks. Fourth one is sandalwood oil. Sandalwood oil has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to treat a variety of skin conditions, including melasma. It is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the skin from free radical damage and reduces inflammation. It also contains compounds that help to brighten the skin and fade dark spots. To use it, you can apply it directly to the affected area in a gentle massage for 10 to 15 minutes. You can also add a few drops to your moisturizer or serum for an extra boost. For best results, it is recommended to use it consistently day and night for at least 4 weeks. You can use these oils individually or in combination with each other to create a custom blend that works best for you. When using essential oils, it is important to do a patch test on a small area of skin before applying it to the entire face. This is because some people may be allergic or sensitive to certain oils, and using it on the entire face could cause irritation or allergic reactions. Patch testing helps to identify any potential issues before they become widespread. To do a patch test, apply a small amount of the essential oil to a small area of skin, usually on the inner arm or behind the ear. Observe the area for any signs of irritation or allergic reaction, such as redness, itching, or swelling. If no reaction occurs within 24 hours, then it is safe to use the essential oil on the face. It is also important to note that essential oils are highly concentrated and should be diluted with a carrier oil before topical application. Carrier oils are less volatile than essential oils and help to stabilize them on the skin. Jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, and fractionated coconut oil are some of the most popular carrier oils used for diluting essential oils. Here are some tips to remember when applying essential oils to the skin. Always dilute essential oils with a carrier oil before applying them to the skin. Start with a small amount of essential oil and gradually increase the amount as needed. Avoid contact with eyes and mucous membranes. Discontinue use if irritation or allergic reaction occurs. Store essential oils in a cool, dark place. Now let's see how to make a simple facial oil for removing melasma. You will need 1 tablespoon of carrier oil like jojoba oil, 1 teaspoon of carrot seed oil, 1 teaspoon of frankincense oil, 1 teaspoon of rosehip seed oil, 1 teaspoon of sandalwood oil. Understand how to mix these oils. Add all the oils in a small bowl. Stir well to combine them. Transfer the mixture into a clean, dry bottle. Label and store in a cool, dark place. To use it, apply 2 to 3 drops of the oil onto your fingertips. Massage gently in upward circular motions on your face and neck for 10 to 15 minutes. Use it daily or as needed. Now let's see how to make a facial serum for removing melasma. You will need 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of rose water, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of honey. Understand how to mix these ingredients. In a small bowl, combine aloe vera gel and rose water. Add lemon juice and honey. Stir well to combine them all. Transfer the mixture into a clean, dry bottle. Label and store in a refrigerator. To use it, apply 2 to 3 drops of the serum onto your fingertips. Massage gently in upward circular motions on your face and neck for 10 to 15 minutes. Use it daily or as needed. There are also some lifestyle changes that can help to fade melasma, such as avoiding sun exposure, eating a healthy diet rich in antioxidants, and getting enough sleep. These changes can help to reduce stress and improve overall skin health, which can contribute to fading melasma. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, it is important to consult with a healthcare provider before using any essential oils on the skin. Some essential oils may not be safe for use during pregnancy or breastfeeding. Essential oils are natural substances extracted from plants and flowers that have a wide range of uses, including in skincare. They are often used in aromatherapy to promote relaxation and improve mood. However, it is important to note that essential oils are highly concentrated and should be diluted with a carrier oil before being applied to the skin. Using them in their pure form can cause irritation or allergic reactions. Additionally, not all essential oils are suitable for use on the skin. Some may be too strong or too harsh and can cause dryness, redness, or inflammation. It is important to do a patch test on a small area of skin before applying essential oils topically. While essential oils can be beneficial for skincare, it is important to use them safely and correctly. Always dilute them with a carrier oil. Test them on a small area of skin first and avoid using them if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or have sensitive skin. Consult with a healthcare provider if you have any concerns or questions about using essential oils for skincare. So these are some of the best herbal oils that can be used to fade melasma. They are natural, safe, and effective in reducing the appearance of melasma. Along with these oils, you can also use a healthy lifestyle that includes a balanced diet, regular exercise, and adequate sleep. By following these tips, you can achieve an even tone and blemish-free skin. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching. See you soon in our next video.